Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get ready.
Engine Mercedes-Benz CL-Class, power units of German production, which are installed on premium class sedans. The main competitor of Mercedes is its fellow countryman BMW, with which there was a war for the consumer market up to the end of the 20th century. Technical characteristics. Mercedes-Benz CL-Class is a large luxury coupe based on the flagship Mercedes-Benz S-Class, produced until 2013, when it was replaced by the new S-Class coupe. Competitors of the CL-Class include the BMW 6 Series, Bentley Continental GT, Aston Martin DB9 and other large coupes. Mercedes-Benz S500 Coupe. One of the flagship models of the premium manufacturer from Stuttgart, cannot be equipped with underpowered motors, and CL-Class is a vivid confirmation of it. The simplest engines here are inline and V-shaped sixes, and the range extends to a large 6.0-litre V12 with twin turbos. CL-Class 1C140, 1992 to 1998, Mercedes-Benz S420 Coupe, 279. 4.2. Mercedes-Benz CL420, 279. 4.2. Mercedes-Benz 500 SEC, 320. 5.0. Mercedes-Benz S500 Coupe, 320. 5.0. Mercedes-Benz CL500, 320. 5.0. Mercedes-Benz 600 SEC, 394. 6.0. Mercedes-Benz S600 Coupe, 394. 6.0. Mercedes-Benz CL600, 394. 6.0. 2C215, 1999 to 2006, Mercedes-Benz CL-Class. Mercedes-Benz CL500, 306. 5.0. Mercedes-Benz CL600, 500. 5.5. Mercedes-Benz CL600, 367. 5.8. Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG, 360. 5.4. Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG, 500. 5.4. Mercedes-Benz CL63 AMG, 444. 6.3. Mercedes-Benz CL65 AMG, 612. 6.0. 3C216, 2006 to 2013, Mercedes-Benz CL500, 435. 4.7. Mercedes-Benz CL500, 388. 5.5. Mercedes-Benz CL550, 388. 5.5. Mercedes-Benz CL600, 517. 5.5. Mercedes-Benz CL63 AMG, 544. 5.5. Mercedes-Benz CL63 AMG Performance Package, 571. 5.5. Mercedes-Benz CL63 AMG, 522. 6.2. Mercedes-Benz CL65 AMG, 612. 6.0. Mercedes-Benz CL65 AMG, 630. 6.0. The Mercedes-Benz CL-Class has a fairly wide range of powertrains that will appeal to any motorist. Maintenance of motors is quite simple, but the repair will have to be carried out in a service station. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz CL-Class showcases a remarkable range of engine displacements that cater to diverse driving preferences and performance needs. From the powerful V6 engines to the impressive V8 and V12 options, each variant offers a unique blend of luxury and performance. Understanding these engine specifications not only highlights the engineering excellence behind the CL-Class but also helps potential buyers make informed decisions. Whether you prioritize power, efficiency, or a combination of both, the CL-Class delivers an exceptional driving experience that embodies the spirit of Mercedes-Benz. Thank you for watching, and we hope this exploration of engine displacement has deepened your appreciation for this iconic luxury coupe.